whenever you build with AI and you use, for example, like Chat LLM or ChatGPT's API to do something on your website. So like for our example, our application does your horoscope. And every single time somebody asks to do a horoscope, there is a tiny transaction, which is tokens. So whenever somebody requests something, which is the input, then the Chat LLM, the large language model, then puts out an output, and then you pay for that. So regarding your question, this is the fees that are associated with using these large language models. So just like you're using Chat LLM, the $20 plan, for example, you're paying for every transaction. They just know you don't use up $20 of your account. And if you do, for example, do with other examples, then you just pay more. So then there's definitely costs involved in running your application, and it depends on what you're actually doing and using. So I'll give you a perfect example. Let's say you have an application that does video generation. Based on the different models of video generation, it could cost you 1/10 of a penny, or it could cost you as high as $2 for a video. If you're using like the newest VO2 or some of the really crazy image generators or video generators, they can cost, and the range is insane. And of course, the more cost, the higher quality. So that's how all of these AI tools work. It's all based on your usage and the quality, especially when you get into the image and the video. When I refer to quality when it comes to large language models, it's the size of the actual export. So this is where you start seeing 1 million, 5 million, 50 million, 200 million. Like those are the metrics that are based off of the different characters and the tokens that are used. So if you want to write a full book, and with one prompt, say, write me a book about my life, and I want it to be 150 pages. That's going to suck up a lot of data, and your input is small, but your output is 150 pages. So whatever that counts in as far as money, what that costs as far as money, that's what you end up paying for it. So hopefully that explains that. And yes, there are fees involved, but it's very minimal. Unless you have a huge project with tens of thousands, if not millions of users, you're not going to have any kind of significant costs. Smarts and AI, I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video talking about AI.